My name is ATM Shamsul Huda. I am the Chief Election Commissioner, Bangladesh Election Commission. I have come here for a meeting of South Asian Chief Election Commissioners to exchange views.
So, is it first time for you to visit our Pragati resorts in Hyderabad?
Yes, this is the first visit to resort and to Hyderabad.
Okay. For both. So, how did you feel the life in this resort?
You see, whenever we had the occasion to come to India, we have visited either Kolkata or New Delhi or Rajasthan. Their story is totally different. Here at Pragati Resort, things are so different from the other hotels that when we first entered, I thought I was entering into a natural park.
Glad, very glad.
It didn't look like a resort, normal, because most of the resorts in the tourist areas in the world, they are highly commercial. Too many people crowding and too much of noise, But here, the whole environment is very serene, it's calm and quiet, and here there is a collection of herbal trees, which I think also purifies the environment. I am sitting here for such a long time, about 40 minutes. I didn't have a single mosquito bite. So this is remarkable. And if we have these greeneries and all natural things, this goes with our physical system, and then we are in tune with nature. So I think this resort is very unique in the sense that we are now here staying with nature. So that's.
See, nowadays, everybody is forgetting trees,
Yes.
which give us life, right?
Right.
So basically, you know about the global warming and the ozone depletion, and we are, intentionally spoiling our healthy and very pure natural atmosphere and making it very very artificial and at the same time very very dangerous. So for that, Pragati Resort has taken an initiation to do something back to nature and get again life from it.
Right. I think this resort will be presented to many in other states, Indian states, and to outside world as an example of how there can be a peaceful existence between nature and human being. Both have to cooperate and coexist. We cannot deplete natural resources for very short term and short sighted benefit. We have to understand that. Yes.
Definitely. And whenever you come down to Hyderabad, please come down to Pragati Resort. We have with two beautiful women over here. So let me know your names, ma'am.
Vasanta. I am Jayashree.
Okay. So what do you do basically?
I am a housewife.
Oh, housewife. It's a very prestigious job. You should be proud of it. And you?
I am also a housewife now. Earlier I used to be in business.
So basically, is it first time for you to visit Pragati Resort?
No, we both of us are living here at Pragati Resort.
Great. So you are the part of Pragati Resort then?
Yes.
So, మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉంటున్నారు కాబట్టి basically you are living here. So what kind of information you will give to our audience?
It's a boon for the urban people who living anywhere, particularly for Hyderabad. It's very rare to find and to come across this kind of place. It's a lot of hard work has gone inside. I'm not just saying all these things just to praise anybody. The founders of this Pragati has done took lot of pains to reach this level. There are innumerable plants, shrubs, trees, all medicinal plants in thousands, which is very rare to come across in the country. I haven't seen this kind of place anywhere. I visited so many places.
So you are living in Pragati Resort. You may be the nature lover, we can say.
No. Now we
Weekends,
Yes.
weekend.
So usually we heard that here we have lot of medicinal plants which cure many diseases by nature, not by chemicals. And some flower essence, we call it as aromatherapy to cure so many, mental unbalance and all. So what do you say
Living
about
in a forest with all the comforts, and at the same time you're surrounded with the herbal plants, people who give you service, whether it is the Sparsh gives they have a lot of therapies.
Hello, we have a beautiful couple over here. Let's talk with them. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Venkat Kode.
What's your name, ma'am?
I'm Sandhya Kode.
So you look very different. I mean, I like your hairstyle so much. Really, I'm fond of this kind of hair. And professionally, what do you do, sir?
I'm a businessman. We run a company called Spectra. We're into shares trading, and I am also an industrialist. We have involved with several industries before also.
And what you, ma'am?
Well, I've been in industry and right now I'm in education. I'm with Triple IT. I'm responsible for outreach education and the director for Enhance EDU, which is enhancing the quality of IT education in engineering colleges in the state and beyond.
Great, very great academic people you both are, I can say. And is it first time for you to visit Pragati Resort?
No, we have been coming here for several years now.
Okay.
We came back from US about 4 years back. We were in US before that, and after coming back, we have houses in Jubilee Hills. But we wanted, we became aware of Pragati through friends. So we visited the resorts, and we were very impressed. And immediately we decided to buy villas. We actually bought 4 villas, one for our family. My parents, one for my parents, one for us, one for my brother, one for my.
One for me also, please.
So we have 4 villas next to each other, and all of us are getting our villas ready now.
But it's really great when you want to live in a place like heaven. Definitely, will have to pull your relatives and your dearest people and all. So, I mean, what made you to buy 4 villas in a single place?
Yeah, because all the 4 families wanted. We wanted it. So initially, I was the first one to see, and I said I wanted to buy, and then my father came and he said, "This is no nice. All 4 of us should have it here."
Okay. So, I mean, we heard that we have some medicinal plants over here, and it's very different from the rest of hospitality industries. So it's not commercial, first of all, and it has a lot of responsibility towards the greenery, towards the nature, and towards the nation, obviously. And through reducing the global warming and helping the ozone layer and everything. So what do you say? I mean, on behalf of Pragati Resort to audience, I mean, what kind of they have to indulge something from Pragati Resort, right? So what do you say about it?
Well, I really was very happy when I came to Pragati Resorts and I could see all these herbal gardens. There are like more than 400 varieties of herbal plants. And when I walked by the cottages, there was this Saptaparni. And what they said was, if you take walks underneath those trees, then it'll help, your breathing be better and so forth. So it really is a wonderful place to be, and it's very inspiring to see how the vision has taken place, how Rao Garu has really, in spite of all the other pressures, continued to maintain this in the green way that...
He made something possible which people think impossible, right?
Very true.